Hello guys and welcome to my Steam Deck unboxing. I decided to buy this console because everyone was talking about it so well that I just had to try it out myself. Upon opening the box, one can find a paper which explains that the Steam Deck has to be charged in order to be turned on. I think it's a cool add-on for people that cannot figure that out by themselves. Beneath it, we find the Steam Deck directly in what seems like a travel case. We will of course put this aside for now because we have another box to look at first. We can see that the box contains the charger, which cannot be taken for granted nowadays. It seems to be a 45-watt charger, which funny enough, it's able to charge my laptop too. Now I have to say that I hate that the power cord is not detachable, thus if I want to travel with this console, I of course have to take another charger for all my other devices, which is really annoying. Now, I also do not like that they use this kind of plastic to wrap up the travel case in, because if you want to open it up, you have to use a knife, and besides of that, it's actually not good for the environment. But after opening it up, one can find a travel case which looks really good and sturdy, but the seal, which has a Valve logo, has to be removed in order to get access to the device itself. And here it is, the Steam Deck. I tried to bend it a bit, but nothing happened, so it's dirty, it's well beat up. I of course had to get an SD card to have some additional space for games, and it's actually easy to put in. Please note that this SD card will be formatted in the Steam Deck before use. This is because Linux, the operating system that the Steam Deck has, uses a different file system than Windows or MacOs. Well, thanks a lot for watching, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.